Children, now we will talk about clean water. Clean water is very necessary for our health. As we need good food, good air, we also need good water also, clean water also for our good health. Now when we talk about water, we have to see what are the sources of water. This we have done in class 2 also. So the main source of water is rain, and after that we get water from rivers, ponds, lakes, ocean, sea, tube well, hand pump. All these are the sources of water. Now we don't get clean water from these sources all the time. So what we have to do is we have to treat the water. And how we can treat the water? We can boil the water and drink. Boil the water, cool it and drink. Or what we can do is we can filter the water. Nowadays in most of the house, in our school also, we have RO water, that is filtered water. It is good for our health. If at all we don't get clean water, then what happens? It causes diseases. And what are the diseases caused by unclean water? They are jaundice, cholera and dysentery. These are three waterborne diseases. They are called waterborne diseases. What is that? Jaundice, cholera and dysentery. These are the three waterborne diseases which harm our health. So like water, like food and like air, we need clean water also. The sources of water are rain, ocean, river, lake, pond, hand pumps, tube wells. And if we don't get clean water, we get diseases, waterborne diseases. What are these waterborne diseases? Jaundice, cholera, dysentery. So, if you want to avoid these diseases, waterborne diseases, what we have to do is we have to clean the water. How can we clean the water? We can clean the water by boiling it or by filtering it. Nowadays, in most of the homes, like in our school also, we have our water, which is clean water. So now you know about this chapter. We have to, for our good health, we need. Good morning, children. I welcome you after your holidays. I am Asthana ma'am. I hope you all remember me. I will take your EVS classes. Today we will do lesson number 7, and the name of the lesson is Need for Clean Food, Air and Water. As you all know, for a healthy life we need air, water and food. All three things are very important for our life. First of all, we will discuss about clean food. Clean food gives us energy. It helps us to grow and we become healthy. Secondly, clean food. We should always eat clean food. We should never eat uncovered food or stale food. Uncovered food means जो खाना खुला रखा रहता है, और stale मतलब जो खाना खराब हो जाता है. We should never eat that type of food. Why we should not eat? Because uncovered and stale food has germs in it. Germs will cause diseases and we will become unhealthy. So I will repeat again what have I said just now. For a good living, for good health, we need good food, air and water. For food, what I have said, that we should always eat good food. Good food gives us energy, it helps us to grow and it makes us healthy. But we should never eat uncovered food or stale food. Why? Because uncovered food and stale food has germs in it, and these germs, when they enter our body, they cause diseases. So we should never eat Now we will talk about air, clean air. Clean air is needed for breathing. If we breathe clean air, then we become healthy. If the air is not clean, then there are so many diseases which harm our body and we do not become healthy. Especially by breathing bad air, sometimes it causes asthma, which is a very bad disease, and it creates problem in breathing. So for clean air, if the air is not clean and if it is polluted, then it is bad for our health. So how the air becomes polluted? There are reasons how the air becomes polluted. Air becomes polluted with dirt, with dust, and sometimes smoke also, which comes out from the factories. Now, what we can do, we can always reduce these things in the air. What we have to do to reduce these things? We can plant trees. More and more trees we should plant. If we plant more and more trees, what will happen? There will be more of oxygen, then the air will be clean and we will get clean air for breathing. Then, in between we should get our vehicles checked. This means if your vehicle is not working properly, it will give black smoke, which is not good for health. So if you keep getting your vehicles checked, then the air will not be polluted. Third point is factories. In the factories where the smoke comes out, the factories should always have chimneys, and the chimneys are very high, so the smoke goes high up in the sky and it does not make our environment polluted. Alright children, then is we should not burn things in and around our environment. Like sometimes we burn garbage, sometimes we burn paper. That we should not do. Okay? So now I have told you about the air. Air becomes dirty due to dirt, due to dust, due to smoke. And it is not good for our health because we breathe bad air. It causes asthma. So to remove the bad air, what we can do is, there are certain points which we can follow. We can plant more and more trees. If we plant more and more trees, the air becomes clean. Why? Because we get more and more of oxygen. Then, from time to time, we should get our vehicles checked. Car, scooter, things like that. If they are not checked from time to time, they start giving black smoke, which is not good for our health. Then, in the factories, there should be chimneys. If we have chimneys, the smoke goes far high up, and then our environment is not polluted. Then we should not burn things around us like paper, garbage. We should not burn these things. If we don't burn, then our air becomes clean.